fucking go and eat burritos, skate, do some tricks, get fucking freaky.
Regular fries, 1 tomato and 1 lime.
Okay.
Yeah.
On those rocks?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best part. You've got to demonstrate these crossover wheels in action, man. After your haircut, I look a little bit rough. You're styling it up pretty hard there, bro. Where'd you get that done at?
Oh, the haircut?
Yeah.
Luigi's.
Oh yeah. Especially, that's like...
Go ahead and untangle this. And night lap.
I've even got a Raptor shirt. Yeah, I'm happy with our new schedule. Ride day, it's important. Music day, I like Tuesday, Muse Day, that's good. I don't know what any of these are. This is like... Whoa. Whoa. That's pretty spicy. Oh man. Yeah, that one's extra hot. It says it on there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that just changed much quicker than I thought. These wheels are designed for. No one quite understands it yet, man. It's for this exact kind of terrain.
Yeah.
I reckon I could take that fast as well. Yeah, man. My life plan is slowly coming together. I just wanted to ride skateboards all the time, right?
Yeah.
And then I thought, oh, I'll start a company making electric skateboards and I can ride all the time, right? Which is wrong, because you spend all your time fucking doing bullshit emails. So one day a week, it's all I get. User interface sucks, their software sucks, and their screen sucks.
It does suck.
Talking to you, Sony. But you can't beat the fucking camera size, the lenses, and the quality. Well, if everything was perfect today, you'd have nothing to look forward to tomorrow. You know, thank God everything ain't perfect, because life would be shit.